Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and then drag this app to another one. So this is the first way how you could create a new home screen folder on your Galaxy S24 Plus. And the second one is just you should hold for a while home screen or the application, click to select and just select a couple of applications and tap to the right upper corner to create a folder. So this is the second way. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To add more applications to your folder, you could just click to this plus icon, just select other apps and tap to done. You could also rename the application. Just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. You could also rename it by another way. Just hold the folder and tap here to this edit icon. If you wanna move folder on the screen or between the screens, hold and drag it. And just to remove application from here, hold up, tap to remove, or hold the application and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this app on the home screen, you could also select a couple of apps and remove them. Then you could select the applications and create the new folders. And also if you want to remove all of the applications with a folder, hold the folder and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.